Hi, my name is Daniel Becerra, and I'm the founder and CEO of BuffaloGrid, a company on a mission to bring power and connect the next billion. We have spent the last 9 years working across India and Sub-Saharan Africa to remove the barriers that millions of people face in getting online. Last year, BuffaloGrid partnered with Airtel, one of the biggest mobile network operators in India, to bring solar energy and internet to thousands of people in off-grid communities across Uttar Pradesh. Now it's time to introduce our next project to help decentralize the power supply in these villages with the help of one of these.
That feeling you get when you look at your phone to see it only has 10% of battery is universally frustrating. You're forced to stop streaming your favorite videos, working on your latest project, playing games, or even checking in on your friends. But for the 700 million people who don't have easy access to power, this problem is far worse.
लाइट नहीं आती जब हम मोबाइल चार्ज करने जाते हैं, जैसे लाइन ख़राब हो जाती है, केबल वगैरह डाल रहे हैं तो जाते हैं चार्जिंग लगाने के लिए, और भी बहुत समस्या बन जाती हैं तो फिर भी चले जाते हैं, जैसे बाज़ार जाते हैं तब भी चले जाते हैं जैसे.
That's why we've created the Buffalito, a smart power bank and lamp that is as useful in a busy city as it is in a disconnected rural village. The Buffalito can be charged from any of our solar-powered BuffaloGrid hubs and through any mains power supply. It charges in just 50 minutes and provides enough power to completely refill a smartphone battery while still working as a light for hours. You can even change the brightness as and when you want. At 160 lumens, your Buffalito will run for 4 hours after charging your phone fully. It's perfect as a bike light with enough time to see you through your daily commute. At 20 lumens, the Buffalito lasts even longer and makes the perfect reading light with 36 hours of power. Wherever you are in the world, anyone can benefit from the Buffalito. For those living in rural India, they'll be able to refill their power from any of our BuffaloGrid hubs, meaning they can keep their phone charged on the go. Even the packaging serves a dual purpose. We've joined forces with Japan's N&R Foldings to make sure the Buffalito box won't end up in a landfill, because it folds into a simple but beautiful lamp.
जब शाम को लाइट नहीं हो पाती थी हमारे घर में तो मैं पढ़ नहीं पाती थी और वही बैग रख देती थी. अब जब से मेरे पास ये बफेलो लाइट आई है मुझे इससे पढ़ने में भी आसानी होती है और ये बहुत ही अच्छी लाइट है, इससे मैं पढ़ने से रुक नहीं पाती हूँ.
जब से मैं बफेलेटो इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ तब से मुझे खेत से घर नहीं जाना होता. जब भी मेरा फ़ोन डिस्चार्ज होता है मैं अपने फ़ोन को वहीं पे साथ के तुरंत चार्ज कर अपने घर वालों के संपर्क में रहता हूँ. खेत से जब मैं घर पर आता हूँ तो रास्ते में गड्ढे, सांप या किसी भी तरह के जानवर से बचने के लिए मुझे इसमें टॉर्च का इस्तेमाल होता है.
We are looking for the support of this community to take the Buffalito into production. With your help, we will start manufacturing Buffalitos at the end of this year and deliver them across the world. This is your opportunity to join our mission. For every Buffalito we sell through this campaign, you will be helping subsidizing the cost of us providing power, digital services, and Buffalitos to people like Sachin and Mihak in disconnected communities across the world. Thank you.